As you know, I am forever making over this little studio of mine. I moved into this space about 7 years ago, and since then, it has undergone several makeovers and upgrades. It's the space that I occupy the most, and the more that I use it, the more I learn about what I need to make it fit my needs. I got an email a couple of months ago from a company that makes what I call smart home adjacent products. They're more like the products that make you feel like the eccentric inventor that's hacked their home so that they don't have to do menial tasks and they can focus on creating instead. So when they offered to send me a few of their products, I thought to myself, that could be fun. So let's jump back a few months ago to when I first received them. This arrived in the mail the other day. I have an idea on what it could be. These are little switch bots. This is not a sponsored video, but they did gift this to me. Let's see how I like it. You know what's easier than me opening and closing my curtains every day? Having a robot to do that for me. They were also kind enough to send me a couple of smart light bulbs, colored bulbs like this. I was thinking I could change out the 4 light bulbs in this room, and that way when I'm filming or making videos for you guys, I can actually curate the color and make it more, you know, moody in here if I wanted to. That would be fun, right? Little bit of a room upgrade. Okay, so let's figure out how to install this for one thing and then see how well it all works. I really hope that this isn't too difficult to install. Instructions. Lots of instructions. So the thing that makes my curtains so difficult to open and close is that they are tabs, like tab tops instead of grommets, because I decided to go aesthetic instead of practical. I regret it slightly. Alright, so all these different accessories are for the different types of curtains that you might have. I see. Install 2 detachable hooks, these ones, into the curtain rod between the first and second ring. Into your curtain rod between the first and second ring. I don't know if it's just me, but I really need to see something so I can understand it. So I ended up watching an instructional video online, and I know how to install it now. The thing that I've realized is, also these are terrifying to open. Like I keep thinking I'm gonna break it, but you won't, it's fine. The thing that I realized from watching the video is one set of these can go in one direction and open one curtain panel, but I have 2 curtain panels that open like this. So I only have enough to open half my window. Okay, let's do this side of the curtain. I think it should go this way, and then the next ones should go that way. Oh, that sounds terrifying, but it's fine. Okay, all 3 are attached. Now I grab the little motorized head. So this goes this way in here. So that just kind of hangs out there. It says the logo should be facing in. Then that doesn't fit anymore. Is it upside down? Is it this way? Does this pull down? No. Oh, I need to look at that video again. Hang on. I'm back. All right, so these are facing the wrong way. These should be going this way. And apparently you should be able to pull these down so that... Okay, there we go. Oh, they're just a little tough. I'm just gonna pull. I got one in and the other. Oh, finally! So I just attached it this way. This should just roll around and close and open the curtains for me. So let's see if it does that. Now I can do this. And if I've calibrated it right, It should stop right there, and then I can close it. This is fully open. This is as far as it goes, fully open, because the curtains bunch up too much and then the clips struggle. And then that's what it looks like fully closed. I still have the problem of all of this not being evenly distributed. And of course, see, this is the part that bugs me. Like, I have to fix that. So I don't know how to fix that. And the even bigger problem of I only have one unit, so it only does half the curtains. So I need to get a second one to make this fully automated. But it works. You know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna switch out all the light bulbs and then see if that makes some kind of difference in the room. It's kind of hot. Give it a minute. I did just switch it off. Okay. Bug droppings fall on me. I'm going to freak the heck out. I'm on a ladder on my tiptoes. I could just go up one step. Just so stupid sometimes. All right, no. Only speak kind words to yourself. I am learning. Oh, gross, something fell. Does anybody else do this whenever I'm screwing anything or unscrewing anything? In my head, I always have to go righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So I can press a button and it'll turn off this light, turn it back on, which is nice. I don't know if this is a user error issue, if this is something that I'm doing wrong, but the only way I can get all of the bulbs to sync to the app is first, then I will reinstall all of it, and then it should be fully automated. It's just feeling like a lot of work so that I won't have to push one switch. Although that's not the only convenience. The main reason why I want this is I want the color changing option. So let's see if all of this work is actually worth it. Okay guys, here are the results. Now I can open it. But only half the curtain and only a fourth of the way open, but with a touch of a button. So there's that. I'm gonna turn off the studio light. All right, so this is just ambient light, and now with one press, I can turn them all off with one button. Yay! Whoa, what happened? I guess there was a lag. All right, and let's turn them back on. This one didn't turn back on. And I can even sync it to the music. I don't know if I want to do that though. Apply. Oh, hang on. Something's happening. So now when I talk, or if I was playing music, then it changes colors. I hate that.
Save me.
Shut up! I did a thing while you were gone. Okay, wait.
No.
Come on, be ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, watch.
What am I watching? Oh!
That's it.
Wow.
Wait. Okay, wait. So I kind of still have to push this the rest of the way. And then I say, open it the rest of the way, curtains. And then I have to open this side manually. Now, I can't say which way is better, but I feel as though this was not very hard.
What the hell?
But also, look what I did. It takes a minute.
Oh,
And then now,
can you clap?
no, no, it doesn't clap. Everyone keeps asking about the clapping. So now it's white for daylight, but then also, come on, lights. Ambiance.
Wow.
We can turn off this.
Oh,
this
the warm light's nice.
Yeah, right? Like now it's like, ooh, look, cozy. It's a vibe,
Oh, your room
right?
is...
I wanted a chance to really live with them before I gave you my honest impressions. Let's start off with the curtain bot. It's great. I love the idea of it, but not for these curtains. See, the problem with these curtains, ever since I got them, is they don't like to slide smoothly along the curtain rod. That's been a problem from the very beginning. Link to that video over here. So what happens with the curtain bot is the fabric gets all bunched up and the bot is not strong enough to push it all the way open. It can open about 30% of the way, then I have to push the bunched up fabric all the way to the edge and then go back to the app and open the curtains the rest of the way. I still have to come in and tie up the curtains anyway to make them look prettier and to allow for more light in this room. And when I close them, the bot works perfectly. It closes it all the way shut. Unfortunately, all those curtains that had bunched up in the beginning that I pushed all the way to the end are still there at the edge of the wall. It doesn't pull it evenly all across the curtain rod. So I really think if you had the type of curtains that, you know, those smart memory curtains where the pleats are always where they're supposed to be, then I think this would work perfectly. But this bot, not for the type of curtains that I have. Now for the lights. I love the lights. After figuring out how to install them and how to group them so all four of them would work as one unit, I really enjoy them now. What I do is I just leave them on in the app and then I can use them like regular light bulbs. They don't have any problems reconnecting to the Wi-Fi, which is an issue I've had with smart bulbs in the past. My favorite part is now I can set the mood of the room while I'm working here. So when I have friends or family over, I can set it to be cozier, like what you're seeing now with the warmer lights. But when I want to paint or color grade my videos, I can set them to daylight so it's nice and bright and I can get accurate colors while I'm working. If you are willing to go through the trouble of setting it up and figuring out how to work this app, then I'd say these are definitely well worth it. I'll leave a link to everything down below in case you want to check them out. Once again, this is not sponsored. I am just sharing my honest opinions and experiences with you. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy home makeover content as much as I do, I've made a playlist of my journey making over this space, linked in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!